Okay, decided to add some dirt texture to the wheels. Always kind of little concern about doing that, but I think always try the models to look a little bit different. I think it'll add to this one. This vehicle is the Eastern Front, summer of 1944. There's very few operational windows for this vehicle, so I wish I could give it an operational window in Normandy about the same time, but I haven't found any reference. Okay, so for the texture, what I use is fine ballast. This is a product for model railroads. I look for the buff color, which is pretty close to like a dirty color. It's gonna be painted anyway. So I add in this medicine thing maybe about an inch of the material. Okay. Then I'll add carpenter's glue. About 3/8 of an inch maybe. I haven't done this too often, so I'm kind of winging it as I'm talking here. This one's fine. I think this one's from Home Depot. Grip Bond 2 is fine. Sometimes the 3 is like a stronger grip, and the 4 then it's brown. Hey, I don't like that brown anymore, so I'm sticking with a Grip Bond 2. Need to get some more of that. Then I always have a soapy water. It's just water that I've add a couple of drops of hand washing soap just to make it softer when maybe I'm spraying a uniform that I want for it to lose the wrinkles or whatever. So the soap's not gonna do it any harm. So then I just add about the same as the white glue, maybe a little bit more. Might not, that mix might not work. So what I want to get is like a pasty mix, and what I do is I just paint the wheels relatively lightly. This granular material is going to be floating. Might be a little bit too liquid. Let's add some more of the glue. Again, everything, don't need to be afraid of the shininess of the glue, because everything is going to be painted. I've only done this once, so I'm kind of experimenting, you know. But when you see I think that's gonna work. Okay. Then I go to another trusty, cheap these brushes come with really long handles, sometimes I cut them off, then I use that piece as a, here I would go down, try to pick up some of the material. Again, it's gonna be, that's all it is. It really helps when the wheels turn in a vehicle. I'm actually gonna do it on the driver too. It's kind of soapy. It's kind of more liquid than out of what I would like. But again, this, if it's not uniform, is better. Any extra that goes down, I just dab it off. Again, in smaller scales, you would just paint dirt, but I've always found that in 1/6 scale, you need a little texture to represent the dirt, because everything is just so much bigger. And that's about it. I'll come back to it. I'll do the other side without the video. I would just leave this until tomorrow to make sure that it's nice and dry. Again, this part is rubber, so this will be painted later, and usually, since it's flexible, even in very dirty vehicles, you wouldn't see much dirt on the rubber because it would just fall off. So try to maintain that rubber part. Okay, that's it for now.